Welcome to TKT course by Teacher Teresa, Module 1, Part 3, Background to Language Teaching, Unit 17, Practice Activities and Tasks for Language and Skills Development. Designing activities and tasks for receptive skills development. Designing activities and tasks for receptive skills development. Activities and tasks for developing receptive skills such as listening and reading cannot be divided into controlled, freer, and free categories because their focus is on comprehension, not on producing language. Look at the following 6 activities. Decide which reading or listening subskill they practice, and the name of each activity type. 1. Read the story. Is the main character a child, an adult, an animal? 2a. Listen to the recording and choose the best answer. The main reason for the school trip is A. To visit a museum, B. To go hiking, C. To watch a play. 2b. Now listen again. Are these sentences true or false? A. The school trip is next week. B. The trip will last 2 days. C. The students will travel by bus. 3. In your groups, look at these pictures of a birthday party. Read the text carefully. Then arrange the events in the correct order. Number the pictures from 1 to 7. 4. Listen to the dialogue and fill in this form with a partner. Customer's name, order, delivery date. 5. Read the first half of the article on page 50 and answer the questions. Your partner will read the second half on page 75. When you have both finished, discuss any parts you didn't find answers to, and share the information. 6. Listen to the recording carefully and complete the table. Animal, elephant, penguin, kangaroo, habitat, diet, average lifespan. Here are the answers to the questions above. Activity, subskill, type of activity. 1. Reading for gist, choosing from a list, multiple choice, an activity in which you choose the best answer from 3 or more possible answers. 2. Listening for specific information, multiple choice questions, true-false questions, an activity in which you decide whether statements are correct or incorrect. 3. Reading for detail, cohesion, jumbled pictures, jumbled equals in the wrong order. 4. Listening for specific information, form filling. 5. Reading for specific information or detail, jigsaw reading, where each student is given only part of a text and needs to tell other students about his or her part of the text, so that in the end each student has all the information from the text. 6. Listening for specific information or detail, table completion. These activities differ in the skills and subskills they focus on, as well as the interaction patterns they use. Some focus on reading for gist, others on reading for detail or cohesion, and some on listening for specific information. Some activities are done individually, while others involve pair or group work. However, the skills and interaction patterns are not fixed to the activity type, because the same activity can develop different skills, depending on how it is used. For example, Activity 3, Jumbled Pictures, and Activity 5, Jigsaw Reading, mainly develop reading for detail. However, since both involve an information gap, they can also improve speaking and listening when learners discuss their ideas and share their parts with partners. Similarly, multiple choice questions can be used for reading, listening, grammar, or vocabulary activities and can focus on understanding the main idea, identifying specific details, making predictions, drawing conclusions, or inferring meaning. These tasks can be done individually, in pairs, in small groups, or adapted for whole class participation. Thank you.